Hello, dear all. Welcome back to my channel, Kavya's Tarot. Life is beautiful. Please do like and subscribe my channel. This is Kavya. I'm a psychic tarot reader. You can contact me on this given number. That is 95288279096 for tarot readings. So today, I'm gonna share with you all about switch words. These are the words which can switch your energy and they directly work with subconscious. So today we'll discuss what is that power and magic of words to manifest anything which you desire in your life. So switch words are basically powerful, uniquely chosen words that switch on your subconscious and they flip a switch in your beliefs and behavior at a deep level so you connect with your goals and attract what you want in your life. And that can be anything from making your business a success to writing a book, even reaching for a good idea or speaking in public or even enhancing your reputation. So switch words जो हैं वो एक सिंगल वर्ड भी हो सकता है और एक सेंटेंस भी हो सकता है. इट इज अप टू यू कि आपके लिए क्या काम करता है. धीरे धीरे जब आप इस चीज के प्रैक्टिस में आ जाएंगे तो कई बार एक सिंगल वर्ड बोलने से ही आपको लगेगा कि एक एनर्जी क्रिएट हो रही है. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. आप जैसा सोचते हैं वैसा ही अट्रैक्ट होता है. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज द पावर एंड मैजिक ऑफ वर्ड्स. So, switch words, it can be traced back to psychoanalyst Sigmund Freud, who said in 1905 that they are the bridge between the conscious and unconscious dream state. These words speak directly to our subconscious mind और जो भी ब्लॉकेजेस होती हैं हमारी सक्सेस के रास्ते में उन सबको ये स्विच वर्ड्स क्लियर करते हैं. एंड इवन they activate our ability to manifest money, creativity, self healing, and success. Switch words work because the subconscious mind actually directs up to 95% of our actions and decisions. So, let's start with few switch words जो आप लोग जब ट्राई करेंगे तो आपको उसके रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे. So let's start with few switch words. These are the list of switch words which you can share for different purposes. First is to attract whatever you intend. So switch word for that is divine magic begins now. This is how you have to speak it. Divine magic begins now. Each and every word should be clear while you are speaking and there should be an intention in your mind. You should be putting your energy. आपको अपना पूरा 100% इंटेंशन लगाना है कि आप क्या चाह रहे हैं while reciting this switch word. And as per my suggestion, minimum 45 times आपको एक switch word को पढ़ना चाहिए. Because this is what my experience says. So to attract whatever you intend, that is divine magic begins now. Next is to attract your soulmate. The switch word is divine bring love. Divine bring love. And इसका एक और तरीका भी है. आप एक पेपर ले सकते हैं, उस पर एक सर्कल बनाइए और उस सर्कल के अंदर ब्लू कलर के पेन से ये स्विच वर्ड लिख दीजिए और वॉल पर पेस्ट कर दीजिए. After few days, you'll get the results. In fact, very soon you'll see the results. Even आप इस स्विच वर्ड को अपने लेफ्ट हैंड पे रिस्ट पर लिख के सर्कल कर दीजिए तो ये बहुत जल्दी काम करते हैं. Next is to attract more clients for your business. The switch word is bring magic done. Bring magic done. to attract money in your life, the switch word is divine, find, count. Divine, find, count. To release hate in a relationship, switch word for that is bow, restore, adjust. Bow, restore, adjust. Keep on reciting this, and please, after getting the results, after reciting these switch words, please do share in the comment section regarding these switch words. To get through a fear or commitment, switch word for that is together, rock, rose. Together, rock, rose. To help improve your financial conditions, switch word for that is golden sunrise full count. Golden sunrise full count. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये स्विच वर्ड बहुत बड़ा है, तो धीरे धीरे जब आप प्रैक्टिस करते जाएंगे, आपका इसमें बहुत अच्छा हैंड बन जाएगा, तो आप इस स्विच वर्ड को अपने अकॉर्डिंगली शॉर्ट भी कर सकते हैं. सो लेटर ऑन ये स्विच वर्ड गोल्डन सनराइज भी कहा जा सकता है. So that can be golden sunrise. Okay, but for current situation, to start it, you can say golden sunrise full count. For educational success, the switch word is reach, first, rank, divine. Reach, first, rank, divine. To have peace in your family, switch word for that is divine, adjust, peace. Divine, adjust, peace. To restore good health, to have a healthy body, healthy mind, switch word for that is together, divine, restore, health. Together, divine, restore, health. Later on, I'll share few numbers with you all, which are called as Grabovoi numbers, जिनको आप अपने हाथ पे लिख सकते हैं, और आप उन नंबर्स का मैजिक देखिएगा. यू विल रियली सी द डिफरेंस इन योर लाइफ. सो बिफोर starting with those numbers, I just want कि आप एक बार इन स्विच वर्ड्स को ट्राई करिए, और आपका जो भी एक्सपीरियंस है वो मुझसे ज़रूर शेयर करिए. I'll be waiting for your comments. I'll be waiting for your experiences. That's all from my side for today. Thank you so much all. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Just remember, life is full of positivity and greater time always lie ahead. So just be thankful to each and everyone. Be thankful to all the gods and goddesses, all the archangels, all the saints, all the masters. Thank you everyone. Thank you God. Thank you universe. Have a great time ahead. God bless and love you all.